We got a horn show. Let's go. Pretty sick. I got some Union Pacific equipment on, so yeah. I got a Union Pacific switcher thing tied to my shirt, and I also got some glasses on. I have some sunglasses. It's what the crews wear. Hey, who knows? We might even get a DPU. 3-inch and lash up. Hope we get a meet. Look, guys, what happened to bro? What happened? What happened? What happened? Did bro crash? Oh, my bad. Got a spider on me. Got a freaking spider on me. Freaking spiders out here. Oh, look at that mini tanker car. Very freaking explosive. These sunglasses are protecting my eyes. Let's see if we got a DPU on this thing. There it is. Wait, do we got a mid DPU? Nope, but I think I see the end of, nope, not the end of the tray. Look at these boxcars. I think we have a mid DPU IDK. Not even gonna lie. I don't know if we got a mid DPU. Not even gonna lie. But let's answer the question. Can we get a meet or a DPU? I don't really know. Let's check it out. I think I saw a mid DPU. Nope. It's just another boxcar. We were born on 100 years ago. We're a million miles of history and we're the Union Pacific. Why is everybody on the Union Pacific just giving horn shows? Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Everybody on Union Pacific is just giving horn shows. There's the end, guys. Finally. There's the end. There it goes. watch these crossings go up. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Peace.